Missed a case filed by the PDP against the APC Shetima double nomination today. And the Supreme Court has also fined the PDP the sum of 2 million naira and claimed that the PDP lacks the right or local standing to institute the case since they are not part of the APC.
This ruling, it will not take 2 minutes. It will not take 2 minutes to deliver the ruling and then get back to any conference that is attended. So what I want to say, I have said it, I have written to all the security agencies, I have written to major embassies, I've written to the American embassy, I've written to the British embassy, I've written to the French embassy, German embassy, and I've warned that you cannot make the mistake of installing an unconstitutional president in Nigeria. It will have been better that to resolve this question that we brought before the court. We are not saying that the question must be resolved in our favor.
Yes.
We brought the question here to be resolved. We have a right to have the question resolved. Like I always say, hearing belongs to me. Decision belongs to the court. Yes. You understand? So, you cannot make the mistake of installing somebody unconstitutionally. It's an overthrow of the Constitution. That person, now if you read section 1 subsection 2 of the Constitution, it says, no person or group of persons shall be permitted to take control of the federal government or any part of it, take control of federation or any part of it. The Election Petition Tribunal is a waste of time.
Today is the D-Day the whole Nigeria has been waiting for. Today is the day that the decision will be made by the judges if Nigeria should proceed with the inauguration of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president-elect, or it will be placed on hold and necessary verification would be done to really know if he won the 2023 presidential election or not. People have started to approach the court already. All legal teams have started to already approach the court because the court sitting was slated for today.
How are you?
And the hopes of everybody is high. The hopes of the Labour Party presidential candidate, Mr. Peter Obi, is very, very high. And the masses of the country are hopeful. The residents of Abuja have started to approach the court already in their numbers. We recall that the residents of Abuja filed a motion to disqualify Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president-elect, stating that he didn't win the 25% constitutional requirement from the FCT, stating that he should be disqualified for not winning the 25% constitutional requirement in Abuja.
According to them, this will solve the lawyers without judges. Because there is no answer.
So we are here to defend what? We want to change. A new Nigeria is possible.
We want to define what
25%.
So you mean all the judges, the lawyers, they don't know what means? Wait, but Is it possible for you to go to a university in Nigeria without passing
English?
3 subjects and the judges? They have to have a case to describe what and is.
According to them, it's
We
going to
believe
be
in
lawyers
Nigeria.
without judges.
We believe in
Because there is no answer.
So we're here to defend what? We want to change. A new Nigeria is
We
possible.
want to define what
What and means.
25%.
So you mean all the judges, the lawyers, they don't know what
We'll recall that before the election, that the members of the All Progressive Party stated clearly that any candidate that does not win the 25% constitutional requirement in Abuja would not be the president-elect, that the constitution must be upheld.
Second condition is that you must win 25% votes
In 24
across
states.
2/3 of
Two-thirds of the
Nigeria's
states,
36 states, which is 24 states, plus it is
FCT.
an and FCT.
You must win FCT.
You must win at least 25% in FCT.
Okay.
So even if you win those 24 states, you have 25%, but you don't get 25% in FCT, there's a problem.
After the election, they have changed their stand, saying that it does not matter that a president wins 25% in the FCT or not, that the FCT should be regarded as the 37th state in Nigeria, which have been a big bone of contention between the parties involved. The Labour Party also filed a case stating that Tinubu should be disqualified also for not meeting the 25% requirement. Bola Ahmed and his vice should be disqualified. Today is the big day. The whole Nigeria is at alert and they are waiting on the verdict of the court to know if